Hello everybody, welcome to Veena's Beauty Tips. Today I'll show you how to do a hairstyle on waterfall braid. Many of you have requested me to show some of the braided hairstyles. So here is this video for you. Initially we need to comb the hair and remove all the knots. After combing the hair, take your hair in front and then we will begin making the waterfall braid. Take 3 sections of different hair. This is the first section, this is the second, and the bottom one is the third section. So take the first section and bring it to the front. We are going to braid it. At the center, this is the second section and this is the third section of the hair. So I have braided it. Bring the other section at the center, hold it and leave this section. This is the waterfall. Now hold and grab these two. Now hold these two hair and take another chunk of hair. Take another section of hair from the top. Take another section of hair from the top. And bring it to the center. And braid it again. Leave this section. This becomes another waterfall. Braid it again. Now hold these two sections and grab another section of hair from up here and braid it as well. And leave this section. Likewise, take another section from the top. Continue doing that. So you can see that we get a very nice waterfall braid throughout. When it comes to the end, when you are done, you can either secure it with a hairband or a hair clip. I am going to secure it with a hair clip. When it comes to the end, take these two ends. Take the ends. You can either tie a hair or hairband, or you can clip it. Like I am going to use a hairpin to secure it. So this is how it will look like. Well friends, that was a two-step waterfall braid. Once you are done with this braid, you can go ahead and you can simply tie your hair here, or you can just leave it as it is. You can also section your hair into 3 equal parts and then braid it as well. You can style in the way you like it. So the effect for the waterfall will be here on this area, and the rest is like open like this. I will just show you how to do a 3 braided hair as well. You need to take 3 sections of your hair and start braiding it. Get one to the center. This is just simple 3 braided hair. The similar fashion, take one side and bring it to the center, and take the other side and bring it to the center. You just need to continue doing this till the end. And in the end, you just need to secure it with a rubber band. So our 3 braided hair is also done along with the waterfall braid. Once done, this is how it will look like. Well friends, that was waterfall braid and 3 braided hair tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do post in your comments and feedback on the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching Rina's Beauty Tips.